2024 will likely be another interesting year in the markets. On the positive side, I expect to see signs of stabilization and recovery in China, given the stimulus measures we've seen so far and with more likely to come. I also expect to see a recovery in technology supply chains as demand recovers and the industry moves beyond the heavy inventory buildup in the aftermath of the pandemic. We should also see continued economic recovery and growth in India and ASEAN markets. On the whole, the outlook for earnings looks constructive and overall valuations leave room for upside. However, we need to watch out for some potential risks. The Middle East crisis could continue to put upward pressure on oil prices, and this in turn can hurt consumer sentiment in Asia, which is largely an oil importing region. We also need to carefully monitor the recovery thesis in China. China's real estate market is in deep turmoil, so a sustained recovery will be very important. Any dilution of government support could stall the economy. And finally, we do have an election-heavy calendar in Asia for 2024, and any surprises could trigger volatility, especially in markets where valuations offer limited margin of safety. Asia is a diverse region with a wide opportunity set of stocks. In particular, I expect potential opportunities in Chinese consumer sector as sentiment improves, in Asian financials, particularly in regional insurers and select consumer-focused financials, and also in the technology supply chain, which should see a demand recovery and improvement in pricing environment. I also continue to expect stocks in ASEAN markets such as Thailand and the Philippines to see an improved earnings outlook, and also for Chinese industrials, which are structural beneficiaries from realignment of global supply chains. Some of the areas where things may not pan out as in the past could be in the electric vehicle supply chains, where there is a risk of oversupply emerging. I'm also concerned that some of the AI-driven hype in markets like Taiwan could cool off as the AI supply chain tries to build real-world applications and use cases which could take longer than expected. Finally, one area of exuberance in terms of valuations is Indian mid-cap stocks, which could cool off should domestic investor demand wane.